Yeah, so here we are. We've got everything rolling now. We're getting close to, we're at the end of May, getting close to June here, so we're filling right up all our outposts. So, yeah, so it's, we're getting things topped off. All the outposts are pretty much open. We got a lot of people out there now, and then when you get a lot of people out there, you get a lot of issues. When you get 8 to 12 people at an outpost using 5 or 6 boats and motors on those rocky lakes there's a lot of things getting broken, and so we're really busy right now swapping out outboard motors.
Those props sometimes they kind of get dinged up and then they end up spinning freely around the shaft here, so you put power to it, but all that's happening is this is turning but not the prop. that's what happened here. All right, try number 2. That's the real thing.
We also do camp checks every second day, so we bring the guests more minnows and more ice. We check over everything, make sure everything's operating properly, see if they need anything or if they're running out of supplies.
There you go. Good one. All right. Oh. That was the fish. Almost got your first fish, but not quite.
But June is the worst month. It's the hectic month. We've got large parties, and we're very, very busy. Everything's filled up, the drive-in camps and everything. So we're just trying to do our camp checks and check on people, make sure everything is going good.
We went
Checked already.
Chad, a couple hours at Richardson, and then did the Kappa Kick thing.
The problem we're having here lately is this wind here every day here. It's not been cooperating here. It's been very, very windy, and so we're having to deal with that. And a few things breaking out there. When we get all those people out to those 30 outposts and we're full, which we're getting to that point here right now, we're moving 100 people a day. It's pretty hectic. Yeah, so it's June hectic month, so we're ready. I got a great mechanic there, Greg. He's one of the best there is, best I've ever seen, and so he's busy full time working on all the stuff that we're breaking up in the north there. We're breaking if it's not a generator, it's an outboard motor or something. And I buy about a dozen new outboards every year, and then we try to keep about 25, 30 on the stand here all the time.
I'll show you. The skeg guards that he's put on there, that's another invention that he's got, that he, for himself, and they save the bottom ends. Like this one here, right? This is a wing design. So basically this just fits right on here, right? It just fits on there. You glue it on, you trim it, and it just absorbs enough of the shock to save the lower end. And it's had a huge impact here at this resort anyways.
Every time we come here, it's always a new story to tell, you know? It's always something that's happening. Brings back a lot of memories. Amazing. We saw a black bear, and we were fishing on one of the islands, sorry, one of the lakes. And we had some walleyes in our hand, and we had to make that portage walk, 10-minute walk, and we saw a bear like 30 minutes ago. So that was something interesting. I don't think that will happen again, but it's something very memorable.
Trip of his lifetime.
Ahmed's a bushman now.
I am.
You are wandering around the Cook Lake.
And then we went up there and we saw the bear. We said, we can't be carrying all this fish. Yeah. What are we going to do if he comes after us? Because I know he was after the fish.
Oh, yeah.
They were all up there.
Yeah. Well, the thing I would do with the fish, if you're carrying fish, I'd pass it to your buddy. Yeah, right away.
I had your picture. This is the guy you need to get, not me. My meat is too spicy. Just pedal it, okay?
Oh my god, I can't watch. No, I can't.
Nice, Harry! Yes, sir, Harry!
Yeah, so here we are. It's Carla's birthday. We're having a nice little get-together with everybody here, and her birthday is always it's on June 1st. It's actually usually the most hectic day of the year every year.
It is.
But we make it work, and so it's nice we get everybody together tonight because we've had a little bit of a rough time with the weather lately here. We've had wind every day here and thunderstorms today, so it's been very challenging for everybody. And but all the pilots have been doing a great job. Yeah, especially. Especially Ty and yeah, he's done a hell of a job lately. And Adam, Adam's getting some really good time in lately. Yeah, flying back from Right Lake there, he's getting some real.
The glue that keeps everybody together.
And Curtis there, he's just got a permanent grin. We're not too sure what he's ever thinking about, but he's just always grinning. But he comes back at the end of the day with the Cessna, so he's back here, so it's all good. You know, he's got his own stories, and we got Xavier here. He's a new pilot. He just started out on a Super Cub, so he had the good fortune of jumping into the lake last night, and I guess
he ate a minnow too.
I guess part of the initiation is you have to eat a minnow too. It's something new that
Adam made that shit up.
Adam comes up with a lot of the rules around here, and so we're very thankful for Adam because he does a lot of the administrative stuff with the new pilots, and very creative. Yeah, and then we have Greg over here.
My God!
Who's been working tirelessly on our motors.
Speaking of glue, that would be Greg.
I got my mom and dad here too. My mother and my dad here. My mother for moral support, and she keeps everything, keeps an eye on everything around the campsite. And my dad keeps all my aerators running in my minnow tank. Yeah, he's my technician. And Megan there, she just kind of coordinates things and bosses me around all day long and texts me and tells me what we got to do. And then we have behind you there, we have Captain Zach. Yeah. He took a real big hit for the team today. He did an extra flight to Right Lake. Everybody else wanted to do it, but Zach said, no, I'll take care of this one. Yeah. So
he just wanted to get out of cooking burgers.
Yeah. And we have Mimi and Helen, which take care of all the background stuff here. No complaining. And Jeremy, he's not here right now, unfortunately. He's out trapping minnows right now, so unfortunately, he has to go when it's really windy because that's the only time we can spare him. But he'll get it done.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everybody. My family and my work family. I love you all.
Make a wish.
No wind.
No wind.
No wind.